A man inquired of Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu, O Abu Umara, did you flee in the battle of Hunain? He replied, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, no. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not flee away. Some young and coward out of his companions who had no weapons came across extremely expert archers, and they had congregated Hawazin and Bani Nasr, and there no arrow would miss the target. So they attacked them with the arrows which hardly missed the target, whereupon they rushed towards the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while he sallallahu alaihi wasallam was riding his white mule, and his cousin Abu Sufyan bin Haris bin Abdul Muttalib was holding its reins. He dismounted, sought Allah's help, and then said, I am a prophet, and there is not a speck of falsehood in it. I am the son of a chief like Abdul Muttalib. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam arranged his companions in ranks. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2930.